Hey everyone, welcome to the apartment tour. So many of you have requested this video, so I've been trying my best to get it ready as fast as possible. My brother and I, who's recording, have lived here for about a month, and I finally feel like things are ready to show. But there will always be changes happening, just who I am with decorating. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all the vlogs where I'll show all different kinds of remodels that we do in here. Before we get started, I want to say thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. At the end of the tour, my brother and I will be cooking one of the HelloFresh meals and having a family dinner in our new apartment. Okay, so you're at the front door right now. Beautiful. This area I'm not the most proud of, but it's mostly because I don't film over here, so I don't really care. Right here is our just utilities closet. I don't even want to open it because it's gross, but if you come this way, you guys, if you watch my vlogs, saw me hang up this picture that looks like my grandpa, and then this little area kind of just happened. It's not really aesthetically pleasing, but it works for what we have here. And then this first door you come in is our bathroom. Ernie's coming everywhere. Okay, so if I close the door, this was the last piece I was waiting for before doing the apartment tour. I love this shower curtain so much. It's from Quiet Town. Everything that I can link below, I'll link below, but a lot of the stuff in our apartment is vintage or DIY'd, so there's that. I don't know, there's not much to say. I've seen this all over Pinterest, and then down here is just a little mat from Amazon. This storage kind of thing that works really well is also from Amazon. We just have all of our shower products up there, and then not much going on. Jackson wants to get art, but I kind of hate all art. This towel is from Zara. We also have a white one that we accidentally dyed pink, but now it goes with the aesthetic. And then over here we have this little hand soap container from Target. This is from Urban. This little soap dish is also from Target. Now, this way, we just have the laundry. I'm not going to open it, but it's been such a blessing having the laundry in here. And then the first room is Jackson's. We'll just do a quick overview because I know he's proud of it. Are you proud of your room? Show them. And out Jackson's window, you can see the balcony. Do you want me to talk about anything here? His homemade skateboard bench is really cute. I actually like that. Okay, that's it. I like Jackson's room, it's cute. Very boy-y, very different from my room. Okay, then if you come this way, we have the kind of common area, I guess you could call it. Let's start with this. Snap at you. This whole metal thing is from IKEA from like 20 years ago, but they still sell it on IKEA. It was my parents, and I saw it in the basement and said, can I take that? So for this, it came with another shelf. I took that out to kind of hang out the pans here. These are just S hooks from my last apartment. If you saw, I used to have a rod that I would hang that with. We have our mugs here, plants, and then just more aesthetic ways of containing things. With Jackson, it's a lot easier to keep these things organized. And my last apartment with 5 people in one 4-bedroom apartment, it never worked. Toaster oven, best thing ever. And then nice big plant. Then this way, we have our balcony. My dad says it looks like a smoker's balcony because it's just 2 chairs and a plant. It's good for shotgunning White Claws. Okay, then our kitchen table is from Overstock. I'll have it linked down below. These chairs are from Restaurant Supply.
Restaurant furniture for less.
Restaurant furniture for less. Okay, dining chairs are so expensive for some reason. I was all over Facebook Marketplace. I was looking on Overstock, everything, but each chair was around like $100 or
Normally, yeah.
Normally, yeah, like $100 to $200 for dining chairs, and we needed 4 of them, so I was like, absolutely not. So we found restaurant furniture for less. So they're $25 a piece, which is way better, but we went like 3 weeks without the tops. They only set the bottoms of the chairs. A mess though. Okay, then the actual kitchen, we have, I don't really know what to say about any of this, the fridge, and then I put some plants up there. I want to get more, but it's hard to travel with plants, especially without having a car here. Then this little area, this cutting board is from Target. We have more of these jars from IKEA, and then our percolator, because that's the kind of coffee we drink. Another Target soap pump. This is from TJ Maxx, IKEA. I have my little espresso maker from Zara, and then this container is also from Target. Then, when you come around this way, we have the living room. Our couch also took forever to come. It's from Albany Park, but they were really good with customer service, and I get, right now it's just crazy. We love our couch, so easy to put together, and I really like the color. I bully Jackson every day because he wanted a leather couch, and I talked him into a green velvet couch. He said he hated velvet, and look what we have. Okay, oh, you so cute. Then this is from Urban from forever ago. This mirror is from TJ Maxx. My mom found it for 50 bucks for this giant mirror. Insane. Up there, I'll have it linked down below. The neon light is from an Instagram brand. Ernie hates pillows on the couch. Okay, you can mess it up after I'm done. Then the rug we have is from Overstock. I'm so obsessed with this rug. I think it's just so different, but so cute, a pop of color. This chair is from Facebook Marketplace. My dad, or it's garbage picked, one or the other. We have so many of these kinds of chairs in my house because my dad always just picks them up if they're like 20 bucks or less. Then this tile table I made, and a lot of you guys were questioning how my dad made the base of it. I don't know, and if I could tell you I would, but he's not even here to like help me walk through a tutorial of that for you guys. So I would just highly suggest trying to find a table that you can tile. We have some plants back there, these bins from Target, and then this is Ernie's bed that's from Amazon. He doesn't use it very much, only when people are over and he's like nervous. But it's originally just like it feels like a trampoline, and then we threw 2 pillows on it and my cheetah print blanket, and he likes it a lot better than just normal. Down here is just Ernie's food and water bowl. And then coming to my room, my favorite place. Okay, come in. Ernie! Ernie! Are you coming? Come. I know he'll get upset. Okay, so you just walk through the door. This is from Amazon. I just decided to hang on my purses here. Like I said, I don't really like art hanging wall art. I know that's really controversial and I'm sorry, but I think that this is really pleasing to look at and I love my purses. Then this little mirror, do not recommend it at all. It's from Target. It fell and broke, that was my fault, but this mirror was like 70 bucks for some reason. It was I don't want to talk about it. Down here, I have a little area where I end up doing my makeup just because the lighting's better than my vanity. This mirror is handmade from Abigail Bell Vintage on Instagram. I'll link her profile below. I have my pothos plant and then just some pictures. Duncan. Then another tile table. I talked about this in my vlog, but I got the inspo from Gustav something on Instagram. I'll link his below too. And his tables don't even ship to the US, so I decided to make my own. We did baby blue in here. All the tiles from this one and the other one are from Home Depot. I can link those all below. Then we have my little stool that I think is my favorite thing in the whole apartment. This little green like pedal stool. It's from Overstock. I spend way too much time on Overstock. Then this little tiger is from Urban Outfitters again. My mom and dad gave me this for confirmation. This little, I have a bone to pick with this little thing. So I got this off Etsy. I really like the like bodice, like vase things. And I found this one on Etsy and it was 40 bucks. And I was like, you know what, like I'll support an Etsy person and get it off Etsy. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, it looks so familiar. And it gets sent here. And It's smaller than I thought, and I was like, what is happening? It's Kim Kardashian's perfume. They knocked off the top of Kim Kardashian's perfume and said it was a handmade vase. It's cute though. I still like it. And Kim Kardashian's perfume is $50, so whatever. This is from my parents. This was from Facebook Marketplace. It was $20 and we just spray painted it gold. It's originally wood, so that's a really nice tip. Ava drew me those. Abigail, Val Vintage again. This is from Goodwill. It was 99 cents. It's so freaking cute. I love it. This little tray is from Etsy. It's just a jade tray, and I really like how that sits there and holds my stuff. And then this little roll-out storage thing is from Amazon. It was really inexpensive, and it fit so perfectly there. I'll try and find that. And we have my closet. It's fine. It's really big. Like, this goes all the way up there. So that's awesome for storage. Like, even back here, it's fine. Even back there, I have like my whole suitcase and just my sewing machine, everything fits really well. Then this apartment doesn't have overhead lights in the bedroom, so Jackson had this light and he was gonna get rid of it. So I stole it because I didn't have a light. And I can't find one that I like, but I kind of like it now. Hi, sweetie. My bedding is just a comforter from IKEA. I ordered a pink comforter cover from Overstock and it got lost in the mail, so they have to send a new one. Then I have the classic disco ball that reflects the light. We get afternoon light and I love it so much. That little crystal is a rainbow crystal thing. And then finally the bed. I'm not opening these drawers because I know they're disgusting, but it's two giant drawers under here which are awesome for storage. This bed is originally from IKEA, but I found it on Facebook Marketplace for half off. I think they still sell it on IKEA though. And that's it for the apartment tour. Let's get to cooking. Okay, hello everyone. We got the box yesterday. Then we've got the 3 little meals bag in our fridge. And in this box, I got the vegetarian box because Jackson eats dairy and eggs but no meat. And then you guys know I'm vegan, so whenever it does have dairy or eggs, I just replace it with my own or take it out, but then I'll put it in for Jackson. I would do this for Brandon too because he's the same way. So we have zucchini mushroom bibimbap. I don't know how to say that. There's that one, the creamy dreamy mushroom, and then the chickpea tinga tacos. And this is the one that we're gonna make today. These look so good. For the tacos, and Jackson and I are going to make this now. While Jackson and I put together this HelloFresh meal, I wanted to talk about some reasons why I love HelloFresh and making their meal kits. First of all, HelloFresh saves so much time. It cuts out the stressful meal planning and prepping, which can seem like such a hassle with my vegan diet and Jackson's vegetarian. It also saves time with not having to go to the grocery store, since being in the city, walking to our closest grocery store and getting groceries that way and walking back because I don't have a car is such a hassle right now. I can't get all the ingredients I want to because groceries can be heavy, and it takes a lot longer than just hopping in the car and driving to the grocery store. So HelloFresh is working so well for us here. I also want to talk about HelloFresh's sustainability. HelloFresh's pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep and less waste for your food. The packaging HelloFresh uses to ship your food is almost entirely made out of recyclable or already recycled content, and HelloFresh's carbon footprint is 25% lower than meals made from store-bought groceries. Also, something that makes HelloFresh stand out compared to other meal prep kits is their commitment to giving back. HelloFresh is committed to making fresh, delicious food available now more than ever and has taken steps to keep its employees and customers safe. HelloFresh donated over 2.5 million meals to charity in 2019, and this year they're stepping up their food donations since the coronavirus crisis. What a feast! This is so cute. So we're gonna put them together and then we'll eat it. Make sure to use my code Laini80 for $80 off your first box and free shipping. I'll have everything linked in the description, but let's try this. I can't wait for you. I'm too hungry. That's good. It tastes like taco meat. Doesn't it?
Yeah. It's really.
It doesn't taste like chickpeas at all. It tastes like taco meat.
Yeah, I'm really surprised.
Really good. I recommend HelloFresh so much. I love working with them. My mom has gotten HelloFresh for a while now, so she's always excited when I get to work with HelloFresh and we get these boxes, because she knows that it means we're eating well. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.
Bye.
I need to buy.